Okay, here's a video of a 18-inch TMY or KMK boat I got. It was an attic find. It was just dusty and dirty. Light bulbs didn't work. Motors didn't run, you know, all that kind of typical stuff. Anyway, I got it, went through it, polished it, cleaned all the fittings, and put in new bulbs. Polished up the motors, oiled everything up, oiled all the shafts. I did not paint this boat. I did not touch up this boat. This boat was actually just grimy. So I just cleaned it, gave her a little polish here and there, polished all the fittings, everything up so it should look really good. This is a relatively rare boat. This is from the 40s. It has twin motors. They're TMY motors, so it's probably a TMY boat, but that's no guarantee. It even has a light on the dash that lights up. Now I'm going to start this thing up. It's loud, so just to show you the bulbs and the motors, everything work. You turn it to the left, that's forward. That puppy will move. All the pinstriping, all the paint, everything is original to the boat. All I did was clean it. Polished up the windshield. I put in new plastic. The windshield came out really nice. All the vents, the fittings, everything. Even the light preserver. I did not polish. I did not repaint that. It was just dirty. Polished all the stainless, the railings, everything. Light bulbs I replaced and painted them red and green. And you can see. You know, so all that works. All the contacts inside, you know, it's kind of hard to see, but they're brass. I took them out, polished them up. They're like new. All the wiring, I replaced one wire way in the back, and that was it. But other than that, this is a rare boat because it has twin motors. It's got the early light bulb deck lights, which shows it was made before 1950, as far as I know. Anybody has any information otherwise, you can tell me. It was painted by family number 14. So anyway, this is a really nice boat. I'm putting it on eBay for sale. If I don't get what I want for it, I'm going to keep it, because these don't come along very often. And this has a nice color scheme. You see the rudder, the twin props, the left and right, and the deck, you know, the steering wheel switch. I mean, it's amazing. All the wiring, everything works. All I needed to do is just a good cleaning up, and the contacts polished up, and as soon as I put the batteries in, she ran. Oh, it's also marked in here under the batteries which direction to run the batteries, because they have to go, you know, if you have them in this orientation with positive toward the back here and positive toward the front here, when you turn this to the left, the boat will run forward. Doesn't really matter, you know, which way you put the batteries in, but you gotta stagger them. They cannot go front to back, you know. Anyway, you'll figure it out. This is a nice boat. It's rare. I'll put it on eBay. This is a video I'll stick on there too. I got some other pictures showing me restoring the parts and various things, and some before and after shots. I'll post those with the boat too. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for all your comments. You can see all my boats at rccraft.com. And if any particular boat you want me to make that I've made in the past, just let me know. Thank you. Have a nice day.